It's the weekend, and all you want to eat is a perfectly fluffed bhatura with yummy, spicy chole. Isn't that right?
Hey guys, this is Anaga and welcome to my kitchen.
Let's see how to make yummy bhatura.
Let's make the dough for our bhatura. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, unbleached, to which I'm going to add some sugar, baking soda, baking powder, some Sooji, and give it a whisk. So this we will add some yogurt, plain yogurt, and mix it. So Sooji gives a little bit of crunch and also helps bhatura stay puffed up. And the sugar gives the color that you want. I even add a pinch of sugar to regular puris that we make at home. And it adds a nice balance of taste. Some salt. We will make the dough with a little bit of water. You don't want a super loose dough, but not tight dough either. It's a nice dough. Now we will cover this with a kitchen cloth for about a couple of hours. It's been a couple of hours. Let's see. Our dough is nicely done. Now, what I'm going to do is make small balls like this. And you want to make sure that they don't have any gaps, otherwise it just opens up when you're making the bhatura. We will not use any atta, but instead a drop of oil on your rolling board. And I like to make small bhaturas because then I don't need to heat up a large pan of oil, because otherwise that oil gets just wasted. I try not to reuse the oil. You don't want it to be super thick, but you don't want it to be thin either. You can make round, you can make oblong, it doesn't matter. It needs to be uniform. Right? Let's go to our kadhai and fry this bhatura. Let's take our rolled up bhatura to the stove here, and it helps to splash the oil like this because the bhatura fluffs up, and then you flip it over, cook on the other side. The chole are also cooking here. They're almost ready. I'm just going to give the final tadka and some chopped dhania, and we are good to go. Super, super fluffy. Like a ball.
Our chole bhature is ready. Looks gorgeous. I hope you guys can see. I'm going to see if I can tear one and show you the inside. Do you guys see this? Look at the inside. It's nice and spongy. It's all the baking powder, baking soda, and yogurt that has done the trick. It's gotten very nice and spongy. Isn't it a perfect lunch?
Wasn't that a fun and easy recipe? I hope you guys try it at home and let me know how you like it. I always love to hear your comments and feedback. Until next time, keep cooking. Adios.